Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a really quick crafting video. It's not even really crafting. I'm by the sea, I'm at Barmouth in a beautiful on the beach caravan, and I thought I'd just do a really quick video. I love this little plaque, I've brought it outside from the caravan. And yep, so today I've just sat here, there's no wind or very gentle breeze, and I just decided, right, I'm going to do a bit of crafting that I brought with me. I've brought absolutely loads, but I haven't got loads done, but just done what I wanted. So I've made these little flower book pockets. This is inspired by Wendy's Adventures, which I think she's changed the name of her channel, but I'll link the video down below if you wanted to make some. They're a really easy little craft, to be honest, from, when you're out and about by the sea. But I'm really happy with how they've turned out. I've got some little ones and some taller ones, and I've also made these book page pockets, which I'll also link these down below. I've forgotten the name of the lady who made these. And then I'll just leave you with a view of the sea. Okay, normal crafting videos will resume at some point. Hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing this summer. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.